transitioning into a new section of your piece. So think about the idea that your melodic idea that you've written and you've expanded and you've changed and altered, that was the first section, but now we're moving into a new section. And one of the compositional techniques that we can use that really brings out and exemplifies movement to a new section is for the new section to take on a new key, or in this case, a new mode. So this is bar 24, from bar 24 of Oak. Our new tonic note appears to be an E. It was a C, now it's an E. This is solidified by the fact that we have an E minor triad movement in the viola accompaniment there. You'll notice that we still have this F sharp that's been hanging around as a very important note up until this point, but we now have a new accidental, this C sharp, which is made quite a big deal of in the melody line here. It's quite a long and accented note. So the composer really wants this C sharp to be noticed. I think that with a bit of analysing, we would realise that we have now moved into E Dorian mode. And the question is, how did we get here from C Lydian to E Dorian mode? If we take a close look at this is the two bars that feature right at the end of the melody that comes in before bar 24. It looks relatively simple, but what we're looking at right here is literally the entire transition for how she moves between C Lydian and E Dorian. First of all, we have this repetitious little pattern here. Da na 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 na. Happens 3 times over. When I look at that, I think that this is a melodic fragment borrowed from the beginning of the work. I think it's a little recall back to that E to G movement at the beginning. And then there's this, and this is just a little scalic figure that leads up to E. So she's just written this, once again, very eerie, repetitious line that then ends with this little scalic figure and almost seamlessly moves into this new mode. It actually exemplifies and accents the feeling of this like new mode coming in. It makes it very surprising, but in a pleasant way. So this is just one angle that you could take when attempting to transition between different key centres and different modes in your composition.